Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to time travel on Google Maps. So if you want to see old Google Maps street views, this is how you can go about it. Now open your browser and in the search section you want to search for Google Maps. This should be the first link you see. Click on it to open Google Maps and this will load Google Maps on your browser. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you see the Walkman figure in this section. Now click and hold down and drag it onto your timeline. You're going to see a road line network. Under this, you'll find your image key where you find street views, photo path, and photosphere. Take this to any location you want to and then drop the figure in that location. Now this is going to open street view and you'll be able to move around with the street views. Now in the section where it says October 2021, beside this you will see more dates. Click on more dates and this will load date timeline. For this street view map, only 2 timeline data are available. If there are multiple takes of a location, you find them listed in this section. Now to time travel, click on the previous dates and you'll be able to see the difference, how that location has changed over time. So thank you for watching this video on how to see old Google Maps street view, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.